girls, so in this video I'll be showing you how I do my makeup no makeup look. So just tag along with me. Let's get into it. I'm a bit sick, so my voice might be a bit raspy and I'll have to cough maybe every now and then, so bear with me. So what I first like to do is moisturize my lips. Right now I don't have anything on my lips, on my face, nothing. Oh, it's almost running out. Like, need to need to buy a new one. Lips are moisturized. Now I moisturize the face. I literally have nothing on my face, like nothing, just au naturel. I first start with my serum, like hydration serum. A bit on the cheeks, a bit in there, a little bit here, and a little bit there. A bit more on the forehead, yes. Okay. Now we just rub it in nicely, in circle motion. Okay, and now, where is my cream? Now I go in with the cream, which is from L'Oreal. I always forget to show my things. It's from L'Oreal. Just also hydration cream. It's like 3-in-1. I use it a lot. You can see it's not much left inside, but still enough for, I would say, almost a month. I can still use this. I don't put too much, just enough. Yeah. Can already see my skin is looking smoother. Can already see the change. We like it. We like that. These edges be doing what they not supposed to be doing. Let's get started. I actually usually like to do my eyebrows at this point, but yeah, I'll do my eyebrows. Why should I not? Let me just stick to how I usually do it. I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I use like I already took off the lid. I use this contour thingy, extra hold edge stager. Yeah, it's pretty good. It does my hair pretty good. Now I'm gonna look in my mirror. I just like the way it lays my eyebrows down. I really like that. That's why you use it. I don't always use it, but many times I often use it. And yeah, yesterday I tried to shape my eyebrows, but I did a terrible job at it. Like, this one is pretty messed up. I took too much hair from this side. So God be with me. God be with me when I try to fill in these eyebrows, because I don't think it's going to be fun. I think I would really dwell on this because I am quite a perfectionist when it comes to my eyebrows. I want them looking all fine and slayed, and like, now I will take my brown, is this the one I want? Yeah, eyebrow liner, basically, yeah, from Essence, is it? Yes, nothing fancy, just simple stuff. And with this one I go like in the edge, in the beginning of my eyebrow, to get that nice outline in the front. It's why my eyebrows never grow identically. Then I just fill in the sides of the eyebrows like that. The edges, the ends. I use a darker one. This one is like much darker than the other one. It's like a charcoal brown. I think with the brown that I used in the front, if I would use that in the end, the ends wouldn't really be like all that. I'm going to use this concealer from H&M. It's in the color toffee. There is. I never paid attention to that. Funny. Okay, and then I think I'll start with this side because it seems to be having a good day. Nothing special, nothing fancy, just a normal brush. And then I will go with it under my eyes, under my eyebrow, I mean. Before I go on the top of this eyebrow, I'm going to go to this side so that I can see if it's similar. If it's given the given, or if it ain't given the given. That's what we're trying to figure out right now. I think it's given the given, honestly. And then I go on the top. I don't really add concealer, not always, when I'm doing the top. Because anyway, the brush still has enough. Okay, I'm feeling this a bit more, and then do the front. Okay, all right, now this side. I think I need to do a little bit of a swoop on this side. So eyebrows are done. Don't worry about the lightness and all that. We're gonna get that settled in a bit. Now we start going in with the concealer, the one that I used previously for my eyebrows. Now I also use the concealer from NYX. What is it? Deep Golden. Let me take a sip of my tea. It's also from H&M. 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. It's color. Oh, okay. I usually go like under there. Oh, I almost forgot this area. Oh, this one. I'll do both. I didn't need so much. Use my sponge. Okay, for my cheekbones, I use this sponge still, but now on the thicker side. You can also see what shade is there. We have the darker tone, and I'm not really trying to like contour. Put this down here. I also go with the rest of the dark matter of the concealer in there, in the neck, in the jawline, to add that shadow effect. And now comes the spray. Yeah, I don't use this at the end, I use it almost at the end, so we're almost at the end now. And this is just like a long-lasting fixing spray from Catrice, and I'm now just going to like brush everything. First of all, just brush everything out, and starting with the lighter parts, of course. Okay. Now we're going with the fixing powder. NW44. Yes. My brushes are not like special or anything. I just have regular ass brushes. That's all I got. And they do the job. I'm happy with them. I don't use too much of it. It's just enough to lighten that up and that. And now I'll also go in there, get a good amount of it to go down here. realized I didn't really do anything here with concealer, because my plan was just to go in with this, the powder. So that's absolutely enough. I've used this so many times. And I think this is 45, so it's more of my skin tone, like overall skin tone. Now we also get the neck. My neck, my neck, my neck. My neck, my neck, my neck. Beautiful. Okay. Now, oops. Recently or lately, I've discovered this thing called blush. I know most of you are like, girl, what the fuck? Where have you been? You been living under a rock? Yeah, I don't know. I wasn't really a blush girl before. I never understood. That's simply that. Let's just say I never understood. Now it's now going back. I should have done first one side so you guys can see the little flare, the little that blush just be given to the face, like and this is literally some cheap ass blush that I got, I don't even know, many years ago, and I just put a bit too, because you know I'm a dark skinned lady. I cannot be all blushy like pink on the cheeks. No, that's goofy. I'm not trying to look like a clown. And I go in with the same blush and I'll use it as my eyeshadow, but more on the sides of my eye and not all over my eyelid. This is just what I do, like, this is just what I do. If you want to use it on your whole eyelid, you can, but I just like the emphasis that it then adds to my eyes, because like out there, like on the sides of the eyes, you know, when I look this side, and when I look this side, let's do my eyelashes. Almost forgot. I keep the eyelashes simple. I'm very lazy. I do have fake lashes, but I rarely use them, to be honest, because I'm lazy, honestly. Like, I don't really have a different excuse. Now we do the lower part. Did they drag me? I look so good. I look so good. Oh, I haven't even done my lips. And my lips look so good. I haven't done my lips. And my lips look so good. I'm feeling myself. Feeling my little eyeliner pencil. Eye is done. And now we can actually move on to the lips. That is the final step that I love to do, especially for my no makeup looks. I like to use this simple lip balm because they often have like a natural tone to them. I'm going in with the liner I use for my eyebrows because it's nice and dark, but I also don't want my lips to be too dark. I don't want to give it black. I want it dark enough though. Notice I didn't put my lip balm on my upper lip. That's intentional because I just want to be doing this, and that's it. And that's evenly spread. Let's spread how I would like it to be spread. That the upper lip is more dark than light. Now comes my favorite part. So that's it, guys. Lips are done. I really like this combination. It just looks so natural, you know. And this is the look. This is the final look. Don't mind my hair. It's not part of the look. I hope you enjoyed this no makeup look, guys. Feel free to also let me know what tips you think you were looking forward to try, or something that or maybe something that you also do like me. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, because I mean, jokes aside, I appreciate you watching this video, and yeah, hope to see you in the next one.